Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Rats Kingdom airdrop and listing date update. Police car light. Hey, Crypto On-Chain fam. Big news, Rats Kingdom is about to make its move, and you don't want to miss out. Rat Collision, the second Rats Kingdom snapshot, is happening on February 2025, and this is your last chance to complete the airdrop tasks before the token hits the market. Let's go over what you need to do. Collision $RATS airdrop. How to get in. To get your hands on some $RATS, you need to complete these steps. Mandatory tasks. Join the official Rats Kingdom Telegram. Follow Rats Kingdom on X, Twitter. Subscribe to the Rats Kingdom and Rats Academy YouTube channels. Take part in tasks with Rats Kingdom's partners. Recommended tasks. Verify your profile. Make a TON transaction to speed up the process. Complete these steps before February to lock in your $RATS. Rocket. Calendar Rats Kingdom listing. What to expect? Here's the exciting part. The Rats Kingdom token will be listed on major exchanges like Bybit, OKX, KuCoin, and more. Collision experts predict the token will start at around $0.001, with some saying it could go up to $0.005 by the end of 2024. Some are even predicting 1 cent by Q1 2025. High voltage, don't miss out. The Rats Kingdom listing is coming up fast, so make sure you complete all your airdrop tasks by February 2025. This is your last chance to get in on this big launch. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on all things crypto.